Body image. Body image refers to what do you think about your own body? What do you think about your own body structure? What do you think about the way you appear? That is what we mean by body image. There are some students always they compare their body with another body. It may be a model, it may be an actress, it may be their classmate. So people should understand the body structure will be different in different people. If they compare their body parts with another person, definitely they will feel ashamed of themselves. See, they look beautiful, I am not looking good. This kind of feeling will reduce their self confidence. There are some students, they feel happy about the way they look. As a result, they spend too much of time in front of mirror. There are some students, they don't think good about their own appearance. See, these kind of people, they need to talk to their teachers or counselors and get the right counseling. It is very, very important. Children in this age group, they expect other people to respect them. In order to be respected, first of all, we need to respect others. Children should understand this particular fact. And apart from this, they must know what are the socially accepted behaviors. See, normally, if we exhibit socially accepted behaviors, naturally we will be respected by others. So, you ask the child to note down what are the socially accepted behaviors. Let them list out. So, this will help them to maintain a good relationship with another person for a long period of time. At the same time, let them explore the answer for some other questions. For example, what is the right age to have boyfriend or a girlfriend? What is the right age to have sex? What is the right age to have babies? What is the right age to get married? There are so many questions. We can ask them. Let them explore the answer and let them set their own ground rules. As far as this particular issue is concerned, this is what right and this is what wrong. Let them set their own ground rules. We need not have our own influence on them, but we have to make them think about all these things. In order to help the children to face their future in a better way, let me suggest three more skills. First of all, every child in this age should know about all the facts about pregnancy. This is very, very important. Second thing, a child is going to a party. They need to be very clear about why they are going to the party, with whom they are going, and if they go to the party, what they will pick up at the party. All these things, they need to have a plan, then they can go to the party. Next one, I maintain good relationship with my friend. Today I maintain good relationship and tomorrow I fight. That is not the right attitude. So everyone should know how to maintain that relationship for a long period of time. So children should have some plan for all these things. This will help them to face the situations effectively in their daily life.